market's on my mind, charts in my vision, profits on the grind, discipline steady, emotions on lock. Patience is the weapon when I'm watching every stock. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. Candles dancing, momentum on the rise. I see opportunity clear right before my eyes. No FOMO, no greed, stick tight to the rules. Consistency daily, that's how I win. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my head. From red days to green days, that's part of the climb. It's a marathon hustle, not a sprint this time. So I trade with conviction, vision never fading. Cash king on the charts, motivation trading. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand.
I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's the story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. On fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's the story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold.
Yo, yo, yo. It's Cash King in the building. Grab your snacks, grab your charts, let's get it.
Welcome to the stream where the hustle don't sleep. Cash King live, yeah, the profits run deep. NAS on the rise, gold in my zone. Big plays only when I'm sitting on the throne, yeah, yeah. I'm locking early, candles look mean. Wrist tight, entries clean, you know the routine. Top step funded, payout stack. Every trade I take, I'm getting that back way. I'm getting that back way. I'm getting that back. Welcome to the stream where the hustle don't sleep. Cash King live, yeah, the profits run deep. NAS on the rise, gold in my zone. Big plays only when I'm sitting throne. Yeah, yeah. Drop a deal if you feel that vibe. We trade it smart, we don't chase that hype. Check going crazy when the candle drop low. Cash King name, yeah, they already know. Welcome, 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 welcome to the stream. Turn me up, yeah, we living that dream. Every day another bag to redeem. Cash King live, this the winning team, yeah. It's the winning team, yeah. It's the winning team.
Yo, it's your boy Cash King. What's down? It's good. It's been tough times, but I'm back. I'm ready to start everything over, do it right. I'm gonna turn this down just a little bit, and we about to get into it. Hurry up before anything happens. All right, so this is my analysis for NAS. I see that we got a fair value gap here, and we have the major zone right here. So, and if you look on the hourly, really it's 4 hour too, but the 1 hour, you see that it's respecting this trend line, and it looks like a downtrend to me on this 1 hour. 4 hour as well also look the same way. I'm not really gonna check the daily. It don't make sense for me to check the daily right now because I already know what the daily gonna tell me. But what I'm expecting for price to do, I'm expecting for price to come at least to this trend line or hit this major zone and go lower. I want to see NAS100 pushed a little bit lower. Well, not even a little bit, a lot lower, honestly, to hit some certain zones like right here, because price pushed up and it pushed up, but it never came back down here. So I definitely want to see price come down here sometime. Maybe not this week, but next month, or sometime. So basically that's what I'm looking at, and that's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a nice downtrend on 1 hour and a 4 hour, a smooth downtrend. So where I want price to come to, either today or tomorrow, I want to see price hit this fair value gap or hit this major zone. That's going to let me know everything. It can also hit here and push right back down. We still be in that that bearish pressure. But if it start pushing above certain zones like here and continue to push up, then that means that everything is switching up. We are pushing right back above. But I really don't want to see it break this major zone. I really don't. If anything, this is okay for it to hit here and push right back down below the major zone, and then boom, price is going to continue to push down. But that is my overall analysis. Let's get to the real analysis, the short analysis, right, of what I think is going to do today. Right? All right, so we're going to go to the lower time frame. We're on an hour right now. As you can see, yesterday we got that nice push to the upside. We hit here and we started rejecting. So that lets me know that price want to pull back just a little bit. Probably I even took the fib from here to here, and this is the 50 right now. So it might want to push down to this 50 and push right back up, possibly to this fair value gap. So, or it can come down here, which probably going to be what it's going to do, because we got this nice fair value gap right here as well. So that's what I feel like going to happen today. We're going to get that pullback today and a push right back up to the upside, probably hitting this this major zone or this fair value gap. So that's all I got for NAS, and I'm not doing nothing else, just NAS. Today I want to be able to risk at least like $100 per trade. I might even take 2 trades. If one of them don't work, this one don't work, I'm gonna take another trade. I'm not trading the mini. I'm gonna trade the micro, because the micro I have a little more room. With the mini, I don't have room at all. Even if I use a 1, I still won't have the room that I need. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use I'm going to use the micro and use one contract only. Let me bring it down to one. I'm using one contract only. If that trade don't play out, then I take another trade, only risking really $100. That's all I want to risk on each trade if I have to take another trade. But my goal is to make at least about $300. Is actually okay. 100, 200 to 300. If I make more, that's a blessing. But yeah, that's what I have for now. So again, I'm looking for some type of pullback price to start pushing down here towards this Fibonacci, this 50 fib, and maybe a little bit extra right here, and then a push back to the upside, and we're gonna push back to that fair value gap. Now, if price continues to push down, then I might, you never know, I might hold it. I might hold it a little bit longer. So it's 909. I'm trying to see if I want to take it now, because if I take it now, it might be a nice chance for me to avoid that spike around 930 if price move in the direction that I take it to. But I also can just wait for 930. I'm kind of undecided about that, what I want to do, because I ended up taking that trade that when I blew my 100K account, my 100K funded, I had to reset it. Actually, I had to reset it. But when I blew the 100K, I entered the trade way too early, and that's where I mess up. I realized I mess up. My everything plays out because it played out the way I wanted to. It even went lower. It went lower. I would have made a lot of money that day, but I end up doing something dumb. But it's okay, It's okay. We starting fresh, and we're gonna do it right this time. We're not chasing quick money. We're not chasing quick money. We're gonna do it nice and slow this time. And that's a promise. That's a promise on me, and I gotta promise that to myself. But $300 is what I really want to make. If I make over that, that's nice too. I really want to get another account too, so I can see what the market is doing. Like, I can see if it's volatile. Like right now, I really can't see if it's volatile right now unless I place a trade. That's why I really want to test her, or just another combine that I can pass. So yeah. So we'll see what it do probably around 9:30, because it's 9:11. So see what it do around that time. If it start pushing down a little early, I might go ahead and try it out. Might go ahead and try it out. Never know. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Because it's getting close to my entry. Kind of getting real close to my entry. I don't know. We see what I'm gonna do. Even though I want my stop loss above this 1 hour candlestick, I do, but that might be a little too much for me. Because I'm trading on the 3 minute. Let's look at the 1 hour. Let's see how big that candlestick is. Yeah, that candlestick is huge. It's really huge. It's like up here, so that's gonna be probably way more than I can bite off of or chew. If I was to do that. And then again, maybe not, because I think this is where I have it, like right up in here. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I might take it from here just to try to play it a little safer. Stop loss be above there. And that's where I'll put my stop loss, my entry right here, and I take it down to somewhere in here. I could mark this up as well. I could probably put it at break even around this area. Break even. So this is where I will put my break even right here. I will break even right at this line. I think I really want to put my stop loss maybe a little bit above, just in case it was to start pushing back up. But even if it start to push above here, I'm gonna get out anyway. So I think I want to have my stop loss at least above here. And let's see something right quick. Make sure.
I took some losses, but I'm still in the fight. Those 100 dreams, yeah, my future look bright. Charts get tough, but I level up.
All right.
Cash
Okay.
on the rise, I won't give up.
Let's see what we're gonna do. Hopefully, in 15 minutes, we be down here. I'm hoping that's the case. I don't want to take this trade too early like I always seem to do and miss it. So, but this is where I think I want to take it. I wish they had it where I can see what I'm risking before I'm in this trade. But I don't think I can do that. At least I don't think I can do it. I don't know. So I would want to put a stop sell. Make sure I got the right thing. Yes, I do. Put a stop sell right here. Yeah, I don't think I can do that. So right there. Or should I enter it here? I'm trying to see where should I enter, because I can enter it here, because if anything, it'll get down there. It'll get down there. Let's do that. Let's do that, because I know it's gonna get down to the last wick if I enter here. But we're gonna do it kind of below there. So about right here. Boom. And we're gonna take it down here. So let's see if this one plays out the way I want it to play out. I hope so. But if we start rejecting from my entry, then I might just go ahead and get out early and try to retake it. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna do this right this time, y'all. I promise you. I promise you. I'm gonna get multiple payouts on this. I promise. That's a promise, bro. That's a promise. A big promise. I'm gonna keep it to myself. And I'm not really promising to nobody but myself. So about right here, if price starts to push right back above here, or right above this line, it gets me in and start pushing right above, I'm out. I'm getting out. I don't care. I don't care what it do. I'm getting out, because I want to reassess. I want to reassess the trade. Retake it. And if I get $200, I'm done. I don't care. It's gonna automatically block me from trading again today, which that's what I like. That's what I need. I need to be blocked. And shoot, I just go play the game after this. All right, let's go to that 1 minute. See what this 1 minute doing. Top step taught me discipline art. Every loss just part of the grind. Cash king mindset, peace of mind. Turn this music up just a little bit, just a little hair.
5 days green, keep that drawdown clean. Now I'm cashing out, living trade a dream. Yeah, express fun and no fear inside. I don't chase the market, I let it ride. From ever pain to that payout smile. Cash King got funded, it's been a while.
Sure been a while for real. I don't even know how long I don't think I've been streaming consistently neither. That's bad. I gotta get back on my stuff. That's because I've been blowing accounts, man. Been blowing accounts, but this is part of the journey. But you don't want to keep making the same mistakes like me, bro. Like, if anybody ever watched this stream, don't make the same mistakes that I make. You know, don't even make the same mistakes that you make. If you steady blowing account, but you see that your strategy is working, stop blowing accounts. Stop it. Just, if it's turning into gambling, control it. Stop it. Stop gambling. You know, stop risking big. Stop trying to get rich quick. That's the goal. Stop trying to get rich quick, because sometimes it's you know, just because this person over here probably got rich quick off it, that might not be, you know, that might not be your road, might not be your path, might not happen for you. And I'm starting to realize that, you know, I'm starting to realize that that's not probably just not gonna happen for me. And you know, I gotta be okay with that. I gotta stop looking at somebody else's cards in their hands and start looking at mine. I'm hitting deep, going deep with it. Now stop looking at the cards in somebody else's hand and what they got when you have cards in your hand. That's for you. That's your cards. You know, look at the cards in your hand and stop looking at the cards in somebody else's hand, because that's not for you. The cards in your hands for you, but the cards in their hands, that's for them. You know, that's just the way it is. Just the way it is. So we got 10 minutes into 9:30. 10 minutes into 9:30. This might be a nice trade. I really feel like it's going to be nice. 100% feel like it's going to be nice. If anything that hit here, if it want to reject, it's just going to reject here. This is where it's going to this is where it's going to reject. But usually when it comes back down again, it's going to push. I just know for a fact it's going to push. So that looks good for me. That's looking good for me. Looking real good for me.
Every candle a story. I read and I flow from demo to live. Now the Cash King glow.
And 9:30 probably definitely gonna give it that push that I'm looking for. 100%. If it don't, then hey, that's just the way it is. I think I'm gonna have my stop loss a little below here. It's getting closer and closer to my entry. This might be a long trade too, or it might not, just depends. Could be a long trade, but I don't know. I really don't know. It could be a long trade, but it also could be a short trade. But I feel confident about this one.
Hit that chart, watch the candles glow. Stacking up
Definitely confident. Look at this. Boom. We pushed up high. We kind of we definitely rejected off of here, and we starting to push lower. We getting below this candlestick. We're already below this candlestick, honestly. And we pushing lower right here. We already below this as well. This below this body, which is good. So, oh yeah, definitely yeah. And we got this gap. I definitely feel like I want to close in that gap. So yeah, I think I'm on the right track. I'm on the right track, baby.
Get that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline, sharp hands, steady like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. Wrist stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine.
Be nice if we get that push, that pullback. A little, not really a pullback, but a push right here and then come down. Oh,
Grab
it's
your
beautiful.
snacks, grab your chops.
That's textboook right there.
Welcome to the stream.
Definitely textbook.
Cash King live, yeah, the profits
But if we
run
come back
deep.
above here,
Nas on the
then more than
rise,
likely it's just
gold
gonna
in my
push up.
zone.
But I
Big
hope
plays
that's
only
not
when
the
I'm
case.
sitting on the throne, yeah, yeah. I'm locking early, candles look mean.
I needed to, you know, take his time. Don't just rush down here. Take your time, my boy. The more you take your time, the better. That lets me know that we coming down here. Even if it start to push up just a little bit more, and it come right back down, beautiful. That's what I want. I don't want to trade that come straight down. I want it to build itself to come down.
NAS on the rise, gold in my zone. Big plays only when I'm sitting on the throne. Yeah, yeah. Drop a deal if you feel that vibe. We trade it smart, we don't chase that hype. Check going crazy when the candle drop low. Cash King name, yeah, they already know. Welcome to the stream. Turn me up, yeah, we living that dream. Every day another bag to redeem. Cash King live.
All right, got 6 minutes.
Team,
Yeah.
It's the winning team, yeah. It's the winning team.
Welcome to the stream, baby.
Yeah. Yeah, Cash King in the zone again. Top step payout, I'm gone again. Started from eval, now I'm on the throne. Click that withdraw profit in my phone. Payout season, yeah, I'm eating no stress. Top step wired up, money looking blessed. 5 days green, keep that drawdown clean. Now I'm cashing out, living trade a dream. Woke up early, charts on fire. NAS100 got me feeling inspired. Locked in risk, no FOMO trades. Discipline rich, that's how legends are made. Check the dashboard, profits gleam. Consistency rule, yeah, I know the scheme. Hit the profit target, patience on repeat. Now they sending that payout, feeling the lead. Payout season, yeah, I'm eating no stress.
That man said
Top step wired up, money
finally.
looking blessed. 5 days green, keep that drawdown clean. Now I'm cashing out, living trade a dream. 50K account, now I'm stacking more. Got two funded, that's double the score. Risk control, tighter than my trade plan. One contract flip, I'm a made man. From the sim to the real, took some pain. Now I'm building wealth, not chasing fame. Withdraw, hit my bank, screen still glowing. Consistency lot, profit still growing. No tilt, no cap, I'm playing smart. Top step taught me discipline art. Every loss just part of the grind. Cash King mindset, peace of mind. Payout season, yeah, I'm eating no stress. Top step wired
4
up, money
minutes.
looking blessed. 5 days green, keep that drawdown clean. Now I'm cashing out, living trade a dream. Yeah, express funding, no fear inside. I don't chase the market, I let it
That looks
ride.
perfect. That looks beautiful.
From ever pain to that payout smile.
Came down, pushed right back up.
Cash King
Oh, that's
funded,
perfect.
it's been a while.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Like, I promise you, the way I'm looking at it, bro, this is gonna play out. It got to play out. Look at what it did. Okay, we rejected from here. We started pushing down here. We rejected from here. Boom, we pushed right back up here with a whole bunch of rejection. Now we pushing right back down. Oh yeah, that's gonna play out. 100%. 100%. I guarantee you it's gonna play out. That's how confident I am about this one.
Order filled.
All right, we in there.
Cash King on the rise, I won't give
Our risk 46. If it start getting above here, I'm out.
Just makes me belong. Yeah, one day soon I'ma fill my cup. Through the pain, through the struggle, I won't give up.
Right here. I'm okay with losing 38. I'm okay with that. I ain't gonna trip. Cause I can just retake it. Retake the same trade. I level up. stay strong. If anything, my stop loss would be above here, but I'm good on that. I just could take it. I could just retake it if I need to. I won't give up. What time it is? It's about to be 9:32. It's gonna get me out. Go ahead and get me out right quick, and I'll reset it. If it don't get me out, that's better. That's even better.
Order
All right,
filled.
there we go. Cool. We got out. Let's get back in. Right here. When it come right back down, we in now.
Order filled.
Boom.
I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand.
All right, we in there, baby. We in there. All right, once we pass this, I'm gonna put it to break even. Past that candlestick, I'm gonna put it to break even. Break even. Boom. If it comes back, it is what it is. I ain't even tripping. Let it come back. Better yet, right here.
Order filled.
All right, cool. Let it come back.
Order filled.
Back in now. We back in now. I don't care about none of that. Boom. We have different opportunities. We have opportunities. We have opportunities. I ain't worrying about that. Move it up just a little bit more. They shouldn't even push past here again. If it push past there, that's a problem. Then that means we probably just have to wait a little bit more.
Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand.
All right, once we start pushing past here, we're gone. We're gone, baby.
Started with 1400, now I'm chasing racks, turn a small.
Let's bring it up just a little bit more.
NAS100 on the charts, gold in the frame, wrist tight, profit right, yeah, I'm locked in the game. 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they don't know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, no sleep, I don't lie.
I like how we rejecting off of that. Let's see if we're gonna continue to reject.
From 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the
that means price haven't decided where I want to go. Once we get that nice candlestick, that push with momentum, that's when you know. That's when you know. And I put it to break even. It shouldn't even come back. Once we get down here, it shouldn't even come back up. It shouldn't at all. Shouldn't have a problem with it. I should be able to make money each time doing this. No cap. As long as I'm doing a one, I should be able to make money. All right, we still didn't make no decision yet. Not yet.
1.4K to the Big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just less, there's profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am.
Order filled.
All right, boom. Let's do it again.
1.4K to
Let's
the
do it
Big
again.
10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just less, there's
We're
profits
gonna take
in
it
my
up just a
hand.
little
Cash
bit more.
king on the rise, they gon' know who I am.
Take it up just a little bit more. I'm telling you, it's going to drop. It's going to drop.
Sleep, I don't lie. Every pip count is stacking up slow.
Order filled.
I know what I'm talking about.
From 1.4K to the Big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just less, there's profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. No shortcuts here, just the grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king, the name and the time is near.
All right, come on. Need that momentum. Need that momentum. Let's bring it down just a little bit, just in case it wanna come right back up.
I'm riding NAS100, speed like a jet. Candle flames burning, I ain't breaking a sweat. Charts on the screen, yeah, I'm watching every tick. Stacking up the profits, make it flip real quick. Wrist tight, stops locked, playing like a king. Cash flow heavy when the market start to swing. Indices move fast, gotta ride that wave. Cash king in the game, yeah, the bag gets saved. Breakouts hitting, bulls run wild. A bear's taking over, I stay versatile. Scalp it, swing it.
Order filled.
NAS100 money coming in all night. I'm riding NAS100, speed like a jet. Candle
I'm gonna let it do whatever it's trying to do.
Charts on the screen, yeah, I'm watching every tick.
Right now, it might. I don't know what it's trying to do right now. It's playing around. All right, I take it again.
Order filled.
I didn't mean to do that. Well, let's see if it plays out. I risk 20.
NAS100 money coming in all night.
Might play out for me. We see.
Chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green as a story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold.
That's what I like. Just like that. Just like that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're gonna put that to break even. Well, nah, not yet. We wait till it get down here, then we put it to break even. Because if it come back up, then that means it's not trying to go down right now. I'll put it at like 10.
I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's a story of gold. Safe.
Alright, we're gonna put it to break even. Let's get a little bit of money off it. $2 ain't nothing, but it's something. Bring it back up just a little bit. Getting too close. About at least like a 10. I don't want it to get me out and then go down. I definitely don't want that. I don't want that to happen to me.
I'm grinding every sunrise, vision in my sight. Stacking up the knowledge, I'm prepared for the fight. From the late nights
Still didn't drop yet. Still didn't drop yet.
I know I'm gonna touch $1 million one day. Pressure turned to diamonds, and I was built from the pain. Every loss is just a lesson.
All right, we're gonna put it to break even, just in case. Just in case they want to start pushing up, put it to break even.
Mentality, I paid my own way. A bank account heavy, that's the goal I portray.
Does it look like it want to come back up?
Dreams ain't distant, I can feel it in my hands. Turning small flips daily to a legacy. Turning small flips daily to a legacy that stands. No fear, no doubt, just the price I gotta pay. Cause I know I'm gonna make $1 million one.
There we go. Come on. Come on, we need that bearish momentum. Need that momentum to push to the downside, baby. There we go. That's what we need. That's what we need. Yes, sir.
Started with 1400, now I'm chasing.
All right, we gotta continue pushing down. I can walk away from it now.
NAS100 on the charts, gold in the frame, wrist tight, profit right. Yeah, I'm locked in the game. 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am.
All right, I'm walking away from it. 645 is my goal, but who knows? Who knows what's gonna happen? Might even come back up. Hope not, but it could. But it's playing out, just like I said it will. It ain't even hit my stop loss. This was my stop loss. It didn't even hit that. So, nice trade.
10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. Down low, vision stay high. Ain't no cutting focus, gotta stick it to a line. Every pip count is stacking up, so compound that growth. They gon' know, no shortcuts here, just a grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, young playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, I don't sleep, I don't lie. Every pip count is stacking up slow. Compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. No shortcuts here, just a grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king, the name and the time is near. Yeah, I'm riding NAS100, speed like a jet. Candle flames burning, I ain't breaking a sweat. Charts on the screen, yeah, I'm watching every tick. Stacking up the profits, make it flick real quick. Wrist tight, stops locked, playing like a king. Cash flow heavy when the market start to swing. Indices move fast, gotta ride that wave. Cash king.
All right, yes, sir. Now we start getting that push to the downside, boy. Come all the way down here, 645. That's actually pretty good. 645, that ain't bad at all. I could literally get $600 every day. Literally, I can get it every day, and I might even take another trade. I might take it to the upside if it continues. I take it to the upside. I'm gonna take this off. All right, let's see what it's gonna do right here. That's the 50. I think that's the 50, right? Nah, it's not the 50. We getting close to the 50. I'm gonna bring it down to 42, 43. So if price come all the way up there, then hey, you know. But I don't think it's going. I think it's going to continue to push down at least to here to the 645, and then I take it back to the upside. It might even pull back just a little bit. Might pull back right here. If it pull back up here, then it might get me out at 43, which is, you know, fine. I'm not worried about it. I just take another trade. But I'm about to eat.
Big plays only when I'm sitting on the throne. Yeah. I'm locking early, candles look mean. Wrist tight, entries clean, you know the routine. Top step funded, payout stack. Every trade I take, I'm getting that back. I'm getting that back. I'm getting that back. Welcome to the stream where the hustle don't sleep. Cash king live, yeah, the profits run deep. NAS on the rise, gold in my zone. Big plays only when I'm sitting on the throne. Yeah. Drop a deal if you feel that vibe. We trade it smarter, we don't chase that hype. Chat going crazy when the candle drop low. Cash king name, yeah, they already know. Welcome to the stream. Turn me up, yeah, we living that dream. Every day another bag to redeem. Cash king live, this the winning team, yeah. It's the winning team, yeah.
All right, I'm gonna start bringing it down just a little bit more. About 100. We definitely might start pushing down there. All right, we at the fib right now. We at the 50. Definitely at the 50. So I'm gonna bring it down to 140. If price get up there, then it is what it is. You know what?
Top step pay, I'm gone again. Started from eval, now I'm on the throne. Click that withdraw, profit in my phone. Payout season, yeah, I'm eating no stress.
So we at least made some money today. If price come back. Feeling good though. I'm feeling real good. I like this. I like this.
Got me feeling inspired. Locked in risk, no FOMO trades. Supply rich, that's how legends are made. Check the dashboard, profits gleam. Consistency rule, yeah, I know the scheme. Hit the profit target, patience on repeat. Now they sending that payout, feeling lead. Payout season, yeah, I'm eating no stress. Top step wired up, money looking blessed. 5 days green, keep that drawdown clean. Now I'm cashing out, living trade a dream. 50K account, now I'm stacking more. Got two funded, that's double the score. Risk control, tighter than my trade plan. One contract flip, I'm a made man. From the sim to the real, took some pain. Now I'm building wealth, not chasing fame. Withdraw, hit my bank, screen still glowing. Consistency locked, profit still growing. No tilt, no cap, I'm playing smart. Top step taught me discipline. Every loss just part of the grind. Cash king mindset, peace of mind. Payout season, yeah, I'm eating no stress. Top step wired up, money looking blessed. 5 days green, keep that drawdown clean. Now I'm cashing out, living trade a dream. Yeah, express.
All right, if we push past this yellow line, I might go ahead and get out.
I let it ride. From ever pain to that payout smile. Cash king got funded, it's been a while.
Hot, baby girl. Hopefully don't push past that. I hope
Hit that chalk, watch the candles glow. Stacking up gains, yeah, my money gon' grow. Locked in my profit, I don't let it slide. Secure
There we go.
that
Come on.
bag, let the market decide.
get that push to the downside, baby. Let's keep
that
going.
close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline sharp, hands steady like a Chevy.
No, baby.
Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. Wrist stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine.
All right, right here. If price start pushing up, I'm closing.
Get that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline
Because we below the 50, so that means we're going to continue pushing.
Never get greedy, I just play my lane.
And I might even buy it up.
That's the name of the
Buy it right back up.
Wrist stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man,
Why do I have that marked up?
From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine.
Oh snap! What I'm doing?
Charts light up, I move with precision. Pip stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight,
Yes,
stop
sir.
loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped it through racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall into traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's what from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king glow. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live,
Know
now
what?
the cash king go.
Push it a little bit lower. All right, if it come back up, I made 200 and something dollars. I'm okay with that. I'm fine with that. Let's see what we at.
Charts light up, I move with precision. Pip stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped it through racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall into traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's well from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king glow.
Order filled.
There we go. There we go. That's good enough for me. That's good enough for me. $200 a day. Keep the doctors away. We can do all day. All right, that's it. That's all I'm chasing. $200 a day. I could have had more, but it is what it is. Could have had more, but it is what it is. And that's pretty much it. I locked myself out. I wouldn't trade again till next trading day, which is 5 o'clock. So yeah, that's it. I think that's it, right? Let's look at this. This is where price came to, and it's rejecting off that fib. It's pushing right back above that fib, but that's actually pretty good. Could mean that price want to push back up just because of rejecting off that fib, or it might just come right back down. But I'm not about to find out. So W trade, definitely W trade. So yeah, that's it. I made $207 today, and I'm done. So that's all I got for you guys. Tune in tomorrow. We doing